guess you just have to be like point blank to auto attack it.
I'll try it.
Yeah. Okay, blue is first. Blue is first. Okay.
I need white.
Okay, I got mine already.
I need orange now. Where the fuck's orange?
Where is the orange?
Where is orange? Up top.
Orange 100% loyalty, man. Jeremiah Godwell. Where is the last orange? Yeah. Okay, Dream gets it, so it's still alive. You guys got it or what? Me and Dream got it.
Yeah, SB also has it.
Nice, nice, nice. Okay, if nothing messes up here, we should be able to do it. 3 minutes left. Some mythicals, just running the thing right now. Just running like our blind raid right now. Supposedly blind. Till someone didn't get the memo. Okay. AoE. Ooh. There is a thing on like intercardinal that still hits me, I guess. Okay. Damage class. This is about 340 wiping on Narlik. I'm like 980. Classic NAU right there. Exclamation Loawa ODT. Oh, help, I'm right in front of the boss. Thank you. Tiger.
Throwing a bomb because I don't have anything.
Yep, nice. Could be going straight to mechanic right here. Yeah, mechanic now. Alright. I'm one stack. This stack is actually annoying because it can happen at any time. Fucking hell. Okay. Stack blues first. Okay. Green. Yeah. Looks like green to me, man, not blue, but yeah, sure. whichever it is. Take it. Nice. Tiger. I just missed my... Okay. Fucking hell, dude. Laser missed. I was trying to head attack it for the Impair. I just missed totally. Impair is soon.
Maybe what I'll do for the orbs is I'll take outer orbs. So on the very edges of the map. That way I don't run the risk of hitting other orbs.
Oh, help. Thank you. Okay. I wasn't paying attention to my stack. Should be down sometime soon here. Down. No crit, man. No crit on my head attack. Excellent green. God damn it. No crit. Okay. What's the wings? SB is there, yeah. I got it. Well, I was breaking out SB. No, not like this. Okay. Luckily, you can just outrange it, man. Guess it's not Legion tier where you can't outrange stuff. Ow. Oh, it's Mac right now. Okay, only one by the way, only one. I guess you just have to be like point blank to auto attack it.
Yeah, I'll try it.
Yeah. Okay, blue is first. Blue is first. Okay.
I need white.
Okay, I got mine already.
I need orange now. Where the fuck's orange?
Where is the orange?
Where is orange? Up top.
Orange 100% loyalty, man. Jeremiah Godwell. Where is the last orange? Yeah. Okay, Dream gets it, so it's still alive. You guys got it or what? Me and Dream got it.
Yeah, SB also has it.
Nice, nice, nice. Okay, if nothing messes up here, we should be able to do it. 3 minutes left. I don't have anything. Okay.
We have everything.
Okay, 20 bar here. Yeah, and before mechanic on 10, right?
On 0, like Apple.
Oh, 0 bar mechanic like Astor.
Yeah.
So far nothing. So far no man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, that hurts a lot. Oh my god. He really likes like wasting time. Like the reason we will hit and reach because he keeps flying.
He was on me there. 3 stacks on me, I'm one more. I'm here.
Okay. Does the kick like make you fly or do we just tank it by the way?
It does, but like it seems to have like a really...
It doesn't put you out basically.
You can dodge it very easily.
Okay. Doesn't have the bullshit. What? Doesn't have the bullshit hitbox that Guardian has.
Yeah,
Stop.
It's gonna trigger.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, I saw your ancient spear though.
Yeah, the spear came out, but maybe not enough. Oh, that's spear. Stacks on me.
No head attack on that one, I guess. Okay. 1.5 minutes. He's going down soon. We can kill it after this hit. Probably, unless 0 bar. He runs away again. 1.5 minutes.
Just waste time.
Oh, did you get grab or what?
Stacks on me, 3.
Nice, dude. I saw that like angel. Casting on that. Okay, tank it, I guess, with transformation. Oh, okay.
Nice.
Okay, so that one mechanic. There's only 2 mechanic there then. Okay.
Yeah. So...
Alright, there we go, there we go. That's one done right there. Now to the next boss. Okay. First try. Surely first try, right? Surely.